Boston on a Saturday night. The sign on the saloon said, dance tonight. The swinging little dollies and cats came from miles away. They came to boogie and woogie and dance the night away. They did the Texas two-step, the swinging new step. You scoot your boots until you think you're gonna drop dead. Oh, honey, they had nothing to lose. Just sliding across the floor in their boogie-woogie cowboy boots. The Southern boys were playing their own brand of blues, pounding out a rhythm, telegraphing the news, rolling like a thunder from El Paso to Baton Rouge. Those Dixie folks are swinging underneath the Cajun moon. They did the Texas two-step, it's such a cool step. You scoot your boots until you think you're gonna drop dead. Come on, baby, you got nothing to lose. You swing a little dolly in your boogie-woogie cowboy boots. You're a good looker, a real cooker, a hot tomato. I'll call you later. Come on, baby, now don't be cruel. You turn my legs to jelly and I'm just about to lose my cool. Oh, honey, whew. There ought to be a law when you get down real low like that. Yeah, baby. My heart starts to pumping, the band comes on and jumping, the man comes on and jiving, and you know that you're alive. You do the Texas two-step, it's such a cool step. You keep it swinging till you think you're gonna drop dead. Come on, baby, I'm talking to you. You swing a little dolly in your boogie-woogie cowboy boots. That's all right. He's got a cowboy arm, he's got killer charm, he's got a pickup truck, he's got some real good looks, he's got a Cadillac walk, a real low talk, she's got a backless dress, a goodwill chest. They got the thing just right, the coolest move. They got the swing right down to their boogie-woogie boots. Face to face, hip to hip, arm in arm, lip to lip, hand in hand, side by side, hip to hip, eye to eye, turn around, double back, call me Roy, call me Jack. Don't let them stop you, we gonna bop you. Any fool can move you, but it takes a man to